You say you are a chairman, ambassador. Which place do you which job do you ambassador? I heard it. Somebody told me Igbo men, they are very good. And they take good care of women, isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
They say they are good.
You can see, can't you see me looking?
And then and so you're dafofro. Ah, Mucha Juu TV. Me chia ashafo any etiefo. Na breni na. Aya near your pesa mo ye my anything. Mukai. Aye. Yes, it's a Mucha Juu TV. But modian she. Now we say we are what like it. What like it we are why day? Ma comment. Now comment in the channel. Asam no. Asam nene ha. Was subscribe. Na me say so subscribe my na. Ye day. E ma ye more vim. Na ma ye energy. Na busi ye immune system no. Ama ya hoden da. Ama brain na. Ye tuning the program for abrew. Ene day. Ye woman nua ba sronko bi wa ha say. Yes, very wonderful lady. She's so special to me. In fact, na monim onya Ghana ni o. Wo ye nua ofri Nigeria. Or ye nua ba from Nigeria. So, I want her to introduce herself to me. After me, I'll go straight to her. I want her to introduce herself to everybody. As I told you, we don't interview only Ghanaians. So, hey, our neighbors, everyone who is ready, strong woman like this woman, my lovely lady. Sweetheart, welcome to Juu TV.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can you please introduce yourself to the audience?
Okay. My name is Ambassador Lady Chioma Oti. I am CEO of Jomzi Services, CEO of CC Care, and I'm the president of president of United Umuada IGBO Club International UK, and also the vice president of Nigerian Community Mountain Kings. And my popular name is being known as Chomzi versus Chichi. Thank you.
In fact, the position is too much. President, chairman, I don't even know where I'm going and where I'm coming from. Me when you me no. Hey, position no too much. Or sounds like ambassador. Sweetheart, can you please tell me what do you do for a living?
Okay, I am a support worker, and I have over 16 or 20 years experience. So I'm in healthcare sector. That's my profession.
Do you have your own company?
Yes, I do.
Okay, for care, or do you do care? You have your company for care, or?
I do. I have care company. We support supply staffing. We do living. We do all sort of things.
Oh, so if I have old woman, an old man, or my friend have old woman, old man, or whatever, you can support them?
Yes.
If we bring her or him to you, can you do it? Your company can take it, isn't it?
Yeah, we can.
Oh, wonderful. Oh, wonderful. And apart from care, you were saying, because the position, ambassador, president, so I don't know where I'm going. It's true. I don't know where I'm going. Oh. Sweetheart, okay, let's go. You say you are a chairman, ambassador. Which place do you which job do you ambassador? Can you explain that one? Because I don't know where I'm going. The position is too much for me.
Okay.
You're so great. You're so powerful, woman, in fact. Okay.
I'm a founder of Cleo Richard Foundation, a charity organization that supports family with disabled children of ethnic minority, both in the UK and abroad. And with that, we have been able to do a lot of fundraising, supporting those families. I think that is where my ambassador came in.
That is why my ambassador came in.
Yeah, that's where
Juu TV na oheno. Try yes see ye kwa jinkrato. Ye hwe ye ho kakra bi aba. Program na I have heard mu ya. Ma we program na I have heard mu ya. Bumu program na I have heard mu ya. Bumu program na I have heard. Odem konka program na I have heard mu ya. Keep watching Juu TV and subscribe Juu TV. That is why your ambassador came in.
Yeah, that's what I was given an award as an ambassador.
Oh, award. You get that? Hey, my sister. And the job, I'm keep asking you because you tell me, you said about 3 or 4 position or 5 position. So, and you were saying that you do some decorations or you say something like that.
Yes.
What can you explain it for me?
Yeah, an event planner, so I do events and I organize some shows or any activities to bring out people's real life so that for them to have interaction and also for them to mingle together. So
okay.
Yes.
So if somebody is doing wedding,
Yes,
party,
yes,
funeral,
yes,
and that person want to contact Chiomze,
yes,
are you willing to do it, to decorate the place?
yes. So we are all over. We can do anywhere in the UK, even abroad. Once you contacted us, and we'll give you our good services.
That's good. And you were saying about you have, you said, that president, I don't know if that one is the president, that you have a group with Igbo,
Yes,
Igbo people.
Yes.
Okay, tell me more about that one also.
Okay, I'm the president of United Club International UK chapter, and on the 18th of June, 2022, we are having a convention stroke inauguration, and our theme for that is domestic abuse. So we are launching our Umuada Orange Day campaigning. We are going to have a lot of speakers on that day. They're going to talk about how family has been affected with domestic abuse. A lot of African cultural display. There's going to be dancing. We're expecting a lot of people, both the elders and other communities are going to come together to support us because we are launching our Umuada Orange Day. Some speakers, we have female speakers, men speakers. We're going to have dance groups. We're going to have comedians and a lot of fun. And there's going to be food and drink, very plenty on that day.
Oh, I'm proud of you, Chichi.
Yes.
You know that your name, you said Chiomze, but I like Chichi.
Thank you.
Chichi is so lovely. In fact, Chiomze also is so lovely. In fact, this woman, I don't know what name I'll call her. Either chairperson or ambassador. That your group. Are you willing to take different tribes like Ghanaian, Cameroon, Cote d'Ivoire, Togo, Benin? Are you willing to? You want that group or only Nigerians?
Okay. What we intend to do is all about to empower women, and we have to work with other women community, but mostly it's for the Igbo women, and it's not that we're discriminating, but because women in Igbo land are a little bit backwards in politics, in anything they do, or to come out or to work. So this is an avenue for us to empower women, to say no to domestic abuse, to say no to anything that do affect women and children. So in that case, as we are launching our campaign name, what we intend to do is to work with other communities and so that they will hear our voice of whatever we are doing.
Program na I have heard muya. My way program na I have heard muya. Bumu Wumu program na evede muya. Wumu program na evede. Odem konka program na evede muya. Keep watching Juu TV and subscribe Juu TV. Are you willing to take men also or only women?
Oh, on the day of our event, definitely there will be men who support us. Our husbands are there to support us. Other men are there to support us. But it's only women group where we can talk to our hearts, where we can relate with one another, where we can just interact. So it's all about women. So we talk about women thing in our group. Thank you. Yeah.
Someone who oba besia. Mo ho enwuma bebra wa se ode agu ne ho so. Yes sa wo ye oba. Yire wo ho na ye adwuma. Mentena se de bia ya na meka ho. Wo ye oba mentena se ema bibia wo nhwe wo kunanim sa. Hwe oba sima. Eniema bebre na wagye agu ne ho so a wo ye. Wo yire ne ho obo ne ho moden. Se ni abre nyina. Onfa ne haw ne na dwendwen nyina nkoto ne kunu so. Yeah. How long have you been in the United Kingdom?
Oh my God, I think over 20 years now.
Over 20 years. So all your children, you born them here?
Yeah.
Oh, so they are grandchildren of Queen?
Yes.
Queen grandchildren?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's fantastic. Yeah. So when you compare here, abroad, United Kingdom, to back home, how, if I want you to give grade like a percentage, how do you, the percentage you give, how do you manage it?
I think here is okay, but I think nothing is
back home.
Nothing is better than home.
Sweet home. Home sweet home.
Yes, because that is where we grow up, and the way we behave, the way when we are growing up, going to school, is far different from here. The children here, they don't really listen because of the they have a lot of power over them. Parents not discipline their children. Rather back home, you know, when your parents say something and just look at you, you know what that means. So nothing is better than home.
It's true. It's true. You're right.
Yeah.
Can you imagine that somebody I know, child, did something wrong and she beat the child? Do you know that they sentenced her? They put her into jail. How do you beat your child? So if you said this country, the children don't listen, it's true.
Yeah, there's a lot of lack of discipline because there's power. Children can do whatever they can, but back home, you discipline. The training here, I think, is a very difficult one. Here they have all the facilities. Like now they can watch TV, do this. But back home, there's a limit of things they do. And any child that is being brought back home, there's a tendency that the one in the UK, there's a big difference.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
big difference.
Yeah.
So sometimes, do you remember your home food? Like your home
I do, but in UK here, we do have them a lot.
Yeah.
We have ugu, egusi, so everything come around.
Everything.
So you're feeling like home, but like going to work every day, no, it's not like that. Back home, you have rest. Okay. At least you finish work Fridays, but here, you have to work for your money because you have to pay for your bills. So it's very...
Keep watching Juu TV. Keep watching Juu TV.
Somebody looking for a job, like because I heard it when you started, you was talking about you supply workers, isn't it?
Yes.
So if somebody looking for a job, are you willing to help that person?
Yes.
You were willing because I think you have a lot of jobs, isn't it?
I do.
Okay. So you help?
Yes.
I want you to say yes. Give me more dream for that yes.
Yes.
The way you say yes. I know you're chumsy. Yeah. I know you're a big woman, but I want you to shake your body.
I'm shaking my body.
For me.
Yes.
That's it. That's it. Okay. So now, if somebody is looking for a job, you say yes.
Okay.
If somebody have old man, old woman, somebody, sorry to say, who is sick, are you ready to take them to look after them or your company?
Yes.
That is nice. I love it. I want you to greet, say hello to your people, the people you love. Anybody, I give you a chance. This floor is for Chiomzi, Chichi. So Chichi, if you can mention 1,000 people name, I don't care. You can greet them and anything you want to say, this floor is for you. Carry on.
All right, I'm saying hello to all my friends out there and also my family and my club members and the customers who I give service to. I say hello, one love. Thank you. And Julie also, the host.
The host.
Yes.
Keep watching Juu TV. Program na ayefede muya. Mawe. Program na ayefede muya. Bumu. Bumu. Program na ayefede muya. Bumu. Bumu. Program na ayefede. Odem konka. Program na ayefede muya. Keep watching Juu TV and subscribe Juu TV. I didn't hear your mom. Did you say your mom? Your dad?
Oh, they are all in heaven.
Okay, and Chichi.
Yeah.
I think I didn't ask you. You know, we are talking about Nigeria, but I didn't ask you. Nigeria is big.
Yeah.
You have to tell me where. Like for me, for instance, me, I'm a Ghanaian, but I'm from Ashanti.
Oh.
So you, Nigeria, you from where? Please.
Okay. I'm a Nigerian. I'm from the eastern part of Nigeria. We are Igbos. I'm from Abia State. And that's it. Yeah. I'm from Abia in Umuada.
Oh, I heard it. Somebody told me Igbo men. They are very good. And they take good care of women, isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
They say they are good.
You can see, can't you see me looking?
It's Igbo man.
Yes.
Oh, Igbo man.
I have Igbo man.
Oh, you have Igbo man. Juu TV. Agro then na ade sankrasefo. Ye di agro no ebebe wieye na me nso wo se me chia madofo. Me di kan achia me ame na papa. Ote kokoso. Yeah, otumfo asante hene. Me te so ana masori nana. Me wia. I'm greeting my king in Ashanti.
Oh.
Me free ho a. Maba Dr. Kwejo Eyisi. Papa. Me papa nana ya osapon. Daddy, me chiao. Anointed lady, me chiao. Sonia, me chiao. Na sit me we are me remfi citizen and gold. Oshe me tea, any me lashes ya, any me makeup ya. Tender touch. Caro bakope. No size. Metin kinsi for caro. Aye, ono ano ye mame. O ye meni no si oh makeup e de menya mawo. Na menya uti so mawo. Eneja, o ye mame a me di twiso yo. Caro me da si why. Juu TV, I had na tie for ye di mu besie. Sani abre nyina, aya meka no. Me si se wo hwe Juu TV a. Na why ye den? Na wa share. Wo share wi a. Na fe, why dey? Wa subscribe. So subscribe a, ye nyu hwe. Ye nyu hwe. Eye free. Me say, wo hwe won sani fa so ho a. Ye chiro bibi subscribe de kokko e na achiro. Kokko no, umia so wi a. Na fe. Adoma bi hye kona ne so wo. Na wo don nsem mi adoma ne so. Oh. So wo don nsem mi aso a, ye di program foforo ba ya. Intentem na osimwe, wo na obedi kan ahwe. Ansa na mempu menye bi ahwe. Ai, ye nyiska bia. Entime mane house wo subscribe. So we should Juu TV. Share, like it. Ma comment. Na fe wa ye dey. Wa subscribe. Some so subscribe wa ye dey. Ha. Emma ye more energy. More vim. Emma ye mora. Ne pussy ye immune system no. Ama abrani nyina. Ye nya hoden da. E dia ye program for frabro. Ye dem wa say. Mama bye. Just say